Spending time in the garden is the loveliest thing to do in summer, isn't it? Every time you have a barbecue with friends, plant vegetables, or spend the weekend playing with the kids, you can admire your flowers and lush green lawn. To make sure they stay healthy during summer, your vegetable patches and flower beds definitely need the right amount of water. But what if watering the garden becomes annoying? Or you don't want to spend your free time attached to the garden hose or watering can? Maybe you're traveling a lot. Who will be there to look after your plants and lawn? MIYO will do all that for you. The system is easy to explain, but the way it works is genius. The sensor measures ground moisture, air temperature and brightness right next to the plants. The measurements are sent to the cube, MIYO's brain. It processes all the data and decides what to do according to its unique logic. It tells the valve whether to water and for how long. It's not just the way it works that makes MIYO smart. There are no complicated instructions. It's really easy to install and the app is intuitive and simple to use. All MIYO components are always connected. The cube, sensor and valve communicate wirelessly and don't necessarily require a Wi-Fi connection. It doesn't matter whether your garden is 50 square meters or 500 square meters. You can put the sensors and valves anywhere in your garden. The sensors and valves run on solar power, so you can rely on the power of the sun. This means there are no annoying cables or batteries to change. Are you always looking for the latest technological trend for your home? MIYO finally brings the smart home into your garden, enabling you to connect the system to other smart devices and systems. But if you like, all the data can also stay within your own four walls. Optional, the system can also work fully independently of the cloud. Whatever your plans are, you can still enjoy your garden. MIYO takes care of your irrigation,